Welcome back to Robby Hobby, your go-to channel for delicious recipes and culinary adventures. Today we are diving into the world of Indian cuisine with a special dish, Aloo Parwal Rasedar Sabji, also known as Aloo Parwal masala. It's a curry made of potatoes and pointed gourd. So get ready for a flavor-packed journey. Let's get started with the recipe. First up, grab 5 medium-sized potatoes. Give them a good wash, peel off the skin, and chop them into small bite-sized chunks. Next, dice up 2 to 3 juicy tomatoes. Now for the star ingredient parwal, also known as pointed gourd. Give it a good scrub on the top surface, then cut it in halves and slit it in the middle. Heat up about 5 to 6 tablespoons of mustard oil in the pressure cooker. Once it's nice and hot, add in the parwal and potatoes. Fry them up until the potatoes are almost halfway cooked. Then set them aside. In the same cooker, pour in another 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 black cardamom or 2 green cardamom, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn. Let them sizzle for 30 seconds. Next, toss in 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Cook them until they are turn a glorious golden brown. Now, add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a quick saute for a minute over low to medium heat. Then, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, or adjust with regular chili powder for extra heat. Saute for 2 to 4 minutes until the spices releases their aroma. Time to add those diced tomatoes. Season with salt to taste and cook until the tomatoes break down and the oil starts to separate. Bring back the fried parwal and potatoes into the mix. Pour in 2 cups of water and sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of garam masala for that extra kick of flavor. Close the lid of the pressure cooker and let it cook until you hear 2 whistles on low to medium heat. After the whistle, carefully release the pressure from the cooker and open the lid. And there you have it. Your mouth-watering Aloo Parwal ki Rasedar Sabji is ready to be served. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and enjoy it with roti or rice. And yes, before we proceed, look who is enjoying the pani puri my brother made. Mr. Singh is really savoring those flavors.
परवल का हर चीज आपने आप जैसे इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया था वैसे हुआ एक एक पीला वाला साइड वेरी गुड
चाहिए
Robby's food is always good.
30 रुपए का 5 मिनट
Please subscribe his channel to get notification early and enjoy the food.
थैंक यू
हाँ बहुत है
भबड़ी मुझे भी खाना, अब कल खाएंगे भबड़ी। ये तो भबड़ी बोलते हैं, बलिया में क्या बोलते हैं? इसको भबड़ी बोलते हैं ना।
मखनी
हाँ, मखनी और भबड़ी।
कम नहीं ना पड़ेगा।
एक मिनट छोड़ दे बाकी।
ये नहीं
बस बस काफी है।
चलिए बहुत अच्छा सब्जी बना।
One second, I'll help you inside.
But wait, we have a very special guest today. Joining us is the Honorable Thakur Uma Shankar Singh, an esteemed Indian politician and a respected member of the Legislative Assembly of Uttar Pradesh.
Folks, I would like to introduce a person who is with us, and we are so honored to have him having dinner with us. He is Honorable MLA from UP Assembly, Mr. Uma Shankar Singh. and he is going to have dinner with us, and he will be telling you the taste of sabji, and his son Prince Yukesh. So thank you for being. How is the test?
Very good. टेस्ट की आपकी आलू परवल की भी
Yes.
और अरबी की भी सब्जी बहुत ही टेस्टी बनी है।
Thank you.
और जो भी इसमें अपनी प्रतिभा दिखाए हैं उसकी जितनी तारीफ की है कम।
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming. Prince, how do you like
Hey,
it?
everything is really good. Even the
Oh,
masalas and everything is really good. Arbi is also really good. I'm liking Arbi more.
Arbi is my
same here.
favorite.
It's
Same
really
here.
Arbi is my favorite.
Same thing. Already excellent.
And Shashi
Both
Bhaiya, the new guest. Go ahead.
हाँ,
very
Shashi
good sabji, arvi, and both aloo and parora. That is called parora.
परोरा हाँ
Parora.
अमन क्या परोरा बोल रहे हैं
That's all. Enjoy the meal.
Thank you, Sasivya, Umaji, and Prince for coming. Thank you for joining us. Oh, and before we wrap up, I must tell you all that we also have Arbi ki sabji, also known as taro root in English, on the menu today. The recipe for that will be featured in our next YouTube video. So stay tuned and make sure to watch. Thank you for watching.